white wine. Red wine is alright, but I don't know. I like white wine better. We're not really wine people, to be honest. Jay prefers his whiskey, and I prefer my tequila. We like fruity wines. We did go on a wine tour one time, and that was really fun. But we got really drunk. What kind of whiskey? I don't know, honey. What kind of whiskey?
Scotch? Smoky, I guess?
Smoky Scotch. Any Scotch? Any Scotch? Any whiskey? Wine tasting is hella fun. Yeah, like I said, we just don't really drink a lot of wine. It's like, we'll only drink it if we're like, I don't know, at a fancy restaurant, or I may have, what's that wine that I like to have?
Barefoot wine?
Barefoot, yeah. We are cooking beef barley soup. You need help?
No, it's just not looking well.
He's having struggles opening the wine cork. There he goes. Hello. Should I turn this down, honey?
No, just keep doing it. We want stuff to brown at the bottom. You want it to brown at the bottom. See all this delicious stuff in there.
Show us what's in this drawer. Just a lot of random cooking shit.
Okay, now we're gonna crush our garlic.
Okay. Crush the garlic with the garlic crusher.
Add a good, like, we're gonna add like 4 cloves of garlic.
Ooh, squirty. If you hold a flame near an open of the cork bottle, the cork will rise.
Oh.
Interesting. Actually, that would have been useful when we couldn't get that one